gorgeous. Just the clouds. I will zoom you in. Excuse me for a moment. Thanks for your generosity and thank you for being here. I want to zoom you into this cloud. Look at this. Again, excuse the breeze approaching or coming down. Magnificent. Love it. More impressive in person. I think that this is quite an amazing edge of the front here. Look at that. And it goes all the way along the mountains. And then we come back to the sunrise. Hang on, zoom you back out. It's lovely, Aloysia. Oh, how beautiful. Just nice to take a moment and see the contrast.